Ever feel like you spend more time fumbling for your keys than actually walking through your front door? Digging through your bag, juggling groceries, hiding a spare key under the mat where everyone can find it. That is why I tested the top smart door locks on Amazon to find the ones that let you ditch your keys forever. From fingerprint scanners to app-controlled keypads and remote passcode generation, these smart locks are total game changers for your home security and convenience. Check the links below for the best prices, and let us dive into the top 5 picks. First up, for those who want a complete smart locking solution with remote access, we have the Yamiry Smart Door Handle Lock with Keypad. This is a fingerprint smart knob that doubles as a keyless entry digital lock for your front door. What makes this one so special is the app control feature that lets you generate passcodes remotely. That means, if a guest arrives before you get home, you can send them a temporary code right from your phone. It also features a deadbolt for security and DIY installation, so you do not need to hire a locksmith. The fingerprint scanner recognizes your unique print in seconds, letting you walk in without typing a single number. If you need serious, reliable, smart security with the convenience of remote access, the Yamiry is a phenomenal choice that delivers professional results. Now let us talk about incredible value and biometric convenience with the fingerprint door lock that comes in matte black. This smart fingerprint doorknob features biometric thumbprint entry, app control, and also includes physical keys as a backup. What makes this one so brilliant is the multiple ways to enter. You can use your fingerprint, type a passcode on the keypad, use the app, or grab a physical key if the batteries ever die. It is perfect for bedrooms, front doors, home offices, apartments, or rental properties. The matte black finish looks modern and premium, and the installation is straightforward for any DIY homeowner. For the price, the sheer amount of convenience and security you get here is almost unbelievable, making it perfect for families where everyone has different schedules. If you hate the annoying limitation of smart locks that look bulky and industrial, you are going to love the Nyboer fingerprint smart door lock with handle. This keyless entry keypad lock is designed specifically for front doors with a sleek integrated handle that looks like a high-end modern lock set. It is a complete replacement for your existing exterior door hardware. The electronic digital lock lets you program multiple fingerprints and passcodes, so the whole family can come and go without keys. The matte black finish is resistant to fingerprints and smudges, and the backlit keypad makes it easy to use at night. It is the definition of a smart, stylish lock that removes the small but frequent annoyance of carrying keys, making your daily entry noticeably smoother and more convenient. For those who want the perfect combination of a knob and handle design, the smart door lock with knob is a fantastic option. This keyless entry door lock works on bedroom doors, front doors, apartments, and offices. What makes this one special is the versatility. You get fingerprint scanning, a keypad, remote passcode generation, and a physical key backup all in one. The knob design is familiar and comfortable to use, while the handle gives you something solid to pull the door closed. You can generate passcodes remotely for house guests, cleaners, or dog walkers, and you can delete those codes instantly when they are no longer needed. If you want a lock that looks traditional but works smarter, this knob and handle combo is a worthy investment that will be the cornerstone of your smart home entry. Finally, we reach the most stylish and modern option for homeowners who want curb appeal and smart security. I am talking about the Nyboer Keypad Smart Door Lock with Handle. This matte black, modern-style keyless entry digital lock is designed for front doors as a deadbolt alternative. The sleek handle and integrated keypad look like something from a designer home catalog. But underneath the beauty is serious security. You can program multiple fingerprints, create temporary passcodes for guests, and use the app to control everything remotely. Installation is easy with just a screwdriver, and the lock fits on standard doors without any drilling. Nyboer has designed this lock to be both beautiful and functional, with a backlit keypad that works in darkness and a fingerprint sensor that reads in under a second. If you want your front door to look high-end while keeping your family safe and key-free, this Nyboer smart lock is the perfect finishing touch for any modern home. From the app-controlled Yamiry to the versatile fingerprint lock with key backup, from the sleek Nyboer handle design to the traditional knob and handle combo, and finally, to the modern matte black Nyboer keypad lock, There is a perfect smart door lock here for every home and every budget. Think about what frustrates you most about your current door. Is it losing your keys constantly? Is it worrying about hiding a spare? Is it letting in guests when you are not home? Or is it just wanting to upgrade to modern convenience? One of these smart locks is the solution. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that is right for your door, your home, and your lifestyle. Trust me, your pockets and your peace of mind will thank you. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Keyless Living.